using the Taylor's Lazy Sunday. This is about the second or third time that I've used this. I mean, no means at all an expert, just been watching YouTube videos. Before I just had a coffee pod version. So first of all, I'm going to do the milk. So what I normally do, water through it. Just heats it up a little bit. So, and you've just got your temperatures here, your water and your frothiness, so just leave it at that. It was somewhere around here, now it's going up to about here. It's actually a lot faster at getting hot as well than I originally anticipated watching other videos. So it's just whirling around and frothing up. It's nearly done. That's it done. Then with this as well, it's got the automatic clean. So I just normally give it a wipe with a damp cloth. And then you'll see when I put it back down, it'll just do a self clean and just get rid of anything that's left, any residue. Stops it from getting blocked up. Just spinning this, just don't really know what I'm doing here, but I've just seen it on YouTube, so I just thought I'd give it a spin and a tap. I'm sure that's what they all do. And then I want the coffee. I've got these clear cups from IKEA. It's just the I think it's the 2-shot double that I've got in it. So press that and see what that does. If I press it, I'm not too sure what happens if I press it again. Give you maybe another shot. I don't know, give it a go. Might blow my head off. So it's done. I'm just going to some nice art going on here. I think I'm just going to do a Mickey Mouse, I think. There we go, Mickey Mouse, yeah, just what we want. There we go. Bit of a Mickey Mouse there.